Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my video. My name is Veldo and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to be making you guys some southern style pinto beans with smoked ham hock in my Power Pressure Cooker Pro. Okay, and these are the ham hocks I got right here I'm going to be using. I'm going to wash those off real good. I've been letting my beans first before. These beans are from great value. I got these at Walmart. I've been letting these beans soak for about 4 hours in this bowl with cold water. Make sure you go through your beans and search thoroughly, because sometimes they have bad beans and maybe a rock or two up in it. This bean didn't have, this bag of beans did not have any rocks or any bad beans. I did have one, I believe, when I threw it in the garbage. It was a white bean, so it wasn't really bad. So anyway, so what you want to do is wash these off real good, and that's what I'm going to do. And we're going to put it in this pot, and we're going to go ahead and add the seasoning. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, what you want to do with these ham hocks, you want to just cover it up with water just right above it. Okay, we take our beans, slide those in there, just like that. Just cook, take the cooking time down till we do this. Or I should have said I reduced the cooking time. So you get this over here so you guys know that that's what I'm using. So I'm gonna put this in here. Alright, we're going to go with our seasoning. I got some seasoning salt. I normally, you guys don't really never see me use this because I don't really too much mess with it. So I'm going to put like a tablespoon of that in there. Just like that. We're going to go with a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to go with a tablespoon of granulated garlic. It's the onion, granulated. Tablespoon. Probably end up putting some more of that in there. Here's some GOYA, ADOBO. I'm going to put a teaspoon of that. So since my bay leaf slid way over there, I'm going to go ahead and grab that. And I'm going to put 2 of those in there. Just like that. Alright. Now we got some red crushed pepper flakes. We're going to put that in there. Probably like a half a teaspoon of that. Alright, last but not least, we got some lemon pepper. We're going to put maybe a tablespoon of that in there. And that's it. We're just going to let this cook, guys. I'm going to put it on beans and let it cook. Okay guys, I'll see you when this stuff get done in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Beans are done. And I got a side of chicken and dressing, cornbread chicken and dressing right there that I made a video on, excuse me. So, this is the beans right here. I put a couple of red bell peppers in it. I'm gonna let you guys taste that. See if I can give you some of this meat too. Okay. Good. At the end, I put a teaspoon. That is so good. I put a teaspoon of A1 sauce, steak sauce in it. I'm just kind of let it, sit there and rest and stuff. When as soon as it get done, you just put a teaspoon of that A1 steak sauce, and then you go from there. Just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Eat up. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Where Veldog be making affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, don't forget to hit that bell for me. Okay? As soon as you subscribe, go ahead and hit that bell for me. Alright? So I'll see you guys next time in Veldog Kitchen next week. In a minute.